So this is the second video of testing body mechanics throwing screwdrivers. These videos are kind of part of the on the way to 27 series, in a way of I'm trying to improve stick rate, and maybe I need to improve body mechanics in order to improve stick rate. Maybe that's the current thought. Okay, and it's all done from about 3.2 3.3 meters, no spin, screwdriver throwing, 6 sets of 5, good or bad. Here we go. Right, so that's 2 sets. So that's 4 sets so far, so it's 20 in a row. It's pretty good, it's pretty good. Wow. That was a perfect set of 30, which is 100%. Okay, so these are unmodified flathead screwdrivers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's great. I'm going to review the footage to make sure that the body mechanics are what I think they are. It's a little bit of a shame because I didn't set out to be a test today. I just set out to be a checking body mechanics video. So I'm not really sure if this qualifies as the next test. I don't think it should, because I should set out to be making a test for the test to be valid. That adds a little bit more pressure. But in any way, I mean, 30 with 0 drop, 100% stick rate. This is the first for me, and I'm actually quite proud of this. This was pretty awesome. Worthy to put into the 27 on the way to 27 playlist. Yeah, if you guys wanna see what's the on the way to 27 about, is basically I'm trying to achieve a 90% or better stick rate on video, and this was better than that. That was 0 drop on 30. It's excellent. Thanks for watching.